Hello. Do you ask yourself the question, how can I achieve financial independence? Well, I hope you'll stay with me throughout this video so that I can talk to you about BelaborLife, which is offering a crypto infrastructure solution as crypto goes mainstream. And I'd like to give you 5 ways that BelaborLife will offer you financial independence. Well, number 1, with BelaborLife, you have the option to access ownership of their central processing unit by purchasing a node that gives you passive income for the rest of your life. Number 2, you will become part of a system that is fully licensed in 27 European countries, where a very high-powered infrastructure system to make cryptocurrency mainstream in not only the retail area, but also in the financial and banking system. And number 3, you get access to a crypto bank where you can exchange fiat for crypto or crypto for fiat. You're able to access ATM machines that use crypto, point of sale machines that will be accepting crypto, and being able to watch all of this unfold as crypto is part of the banking system. And at the same time, you get stores throughout the European Union, and about 4 or 5 are now functioning, where you can go in and have your crypto turned into fiat right in the moment. And then number 4, you can be part of a system that gives you Phoenic coins that support the entire infrastructure for BelaborLife. And that Phoenic coin is going to grow day after day. Number 5, you get to be part of a system that is building a crypto-friendly casino in the northern part of Cyprus. And so all of these amazing opportunities are going to come together to give you both passive and residual income in one of the most biggest shifts within our economic system as we move into a decentralized economic system, and perhaps all based on cryptocurrency. We'll see what happens as all of this unfolds, but be in the forefront of creating and supporting the infrastructure that's going to make all of this happen. So I hope you're going to go back to the person that may have sent you this video and sign up under them, or click on the link in the description below or in the comments section affiliated with this video and sign up on my team, and let's work together to make cryptocurrency part of our banking and retail system. Thank you so much.